All right, so you've got to my spreadsheet for calculations here. This is set up so you guys can see it, but you cannot edit it. So what you first need to do is go here to File and make a copy. And we'll just call it My How to Price Services. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm just doing this in my example. Click OK. You can't see that right now because I've got the screen partially cut off, but click OK. The new one will pop up. So up here it's going to show that it is the copy you just made, and you should be able to edit this any way you want to. So I like to go by annual cost. So here you're going to replace your real numbers with these numbers that are in red. So just to kind of give you a quick example, like down here, the yearly, cost of doing business, this is this number plus your one employee's payroll. So that's what it costs you to run the business for 1 year. This is based on a 2,000-hour work year, paying them $12 an hour. But you can see if I go in here and change this to 1,000, then this number is going to change, this number is going to change, this number is going to change. So it does all the math for you. So you only want to mess with the red numbers. So say, you've got these numbers where they want to be. Say over here, say you have a business advisor or business coach, and you pay him $1,000 a month. That's going to go to 12, and that also added to here. So your total went up. So if you've got other expenses that are not listed here, you can add 4 more over here. I'm going to back that out. Just undo that. And down here, if you want to pay your guy $20 an hour, just pop in the 20. It does the rest of the math for you. Everything over here changes. So you can also see right here, I've got, I want to make $50 an hour in profit. My cost of doing business hourly is $65. So here, it's got your hourly rate. That's these two numbers put together. I'll go back into the main file. I need to change this one to red, and I need to make it not money. So we just want this to be a number. I'll fix that on the main file. But say that it's going to take you 6 hours instead of 4. Just put in your estimated job time, and that will change the cost of this service. So that kind of gives you a breakdown of how this is going to work. I'll go back and make this quick edit real quick on the main sheet so you will have it. And I hope that helps you out. Talk to you later, guys.